Hey everybody, welcome back to Okies Eden. This is Jason from southern Oklahoma. As you can see, I've been cultivating my garden here, and I'm going to show you real quick. Just catch a load of this thing. So that is making my life as an almost 60-year-old man much easier. I don't have to lean over, I don't have to bend over, my back's not hurting, and it's digging this dirt up really easily. So just wanted to put this quick video out there and just show you as the garden continues to improve and getting ready for planting. So go out there and get dirty. Oh, hey everybody. Welcome back to Okies Eden. I'm Jason. I'm down here in southern Oklahoma. Killer deal. Just got this at DG. Nice short hoe for when I started planting my potatoes. That's a pro hack. Pro hack right there. That's an Oklahoma knowledge bomb I just dropped. Cultivating the potato section. So this will just continue down 30 feet, and behind me, earlier I showed you where I was cultivating for the beets, radishes, and carrots. So this will end up meeting up down there. So this will be about 30 feet. So I hope you like this video. This cultivator, I'm gonna tell you right now, unless it hits something really hard, this thing made light work. This is a little over 600 square foot garden, and I'm going to tell you right now, I did this whole thing in 20 minutes the other day, and now I'll just do it row by row. And then I did this all by hand with a shovel. I would turn it, and then I would use a spade fork and turn it again and break it all up, and then rake all the weeds and stuff out. That would take me 6 to 8 hours. And you know, and that's tough gardening when you do other things in your life. But yeah, it's going well. This thing has just been awesome, and I'm thinking about getting one for myself. So you guys have a great day, and I hope it's as nice at your house or whatever country or city you live in. I hope it's as beautiful as it is here, because this is just completely beautiful weather. You guys take care. Hey there, Mr. Cultivator. Because you saved an almost 60-year-old man's life by helping him avoid some back-breaking labor this year. You take a break. That's a much-needed break. If you need a drink or something, you let me know and I'll get you something. So you just take a break and you have a good day, all right? Giddy up. Hey everyone. It's been a rough morning. I lost a friend this morning. Over the last week, this battery-powered cultivator and I have become very close friends, and I borrowed it from my son. He needs it back now, so it's going to be a tough loss. I just hope that you can keep me in your thoughts today as I have to deal with